Greetings, Colette and Turo. My name is James Valencia Herrera. I am 50 years old and I live in the city of Cali. I live in the neighborhood of Chiminago Square with my wife. I work in a food company as a preparatory operator. I study industrial engineering at the University of UNAD. I like football and to watch news. My family made up of my mother, Daisy Herrera. She is 68 years old. She is very kind person. She is a working parent. She is from Cali. She is short. She is white. She has black eyes and black hair. My wife's name is Francie Milena Peláez. She is 43 years old. She is a psychologist from Cali. She is beautiful. She is short. She is white. She has brown eyes and brown hair. My son Miguel Ángel Valencia is 24 years old from Cali, a very good friend. Is a public administrator. She is tall. She has black eyes and black hair. Thank you.